Hello friends, welcome back to Daily English World. நாம இந்த வீடியோவில் பேசிக் இங்கிலீஷ் கிராமர் குயிஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். நீங்கள் எத்தனை குயிஸுக்கு சரியாக ஆன்சர் சொல்கிறீங்கன்னு மறக்காமல் கமெண்டில் சொல்லிட்டு போங்க. சி டு ஸ்கூல் எவ்ரி டே. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ கோ, ஆப்ஷன் பி கோஸ், ஆப்ஷன் சி கோயிங், ஆப்ஷன் டி கோட். Correct answer is option B goes. I a book right now. Option A read. Option B reads. Option C I am reading. Option D reading. Correct answer is option C I am reading. They finished their work. Option A has. Option B have. Option C is. Option D was. Correct answer is option B have. He football every weekend. Option A play. Option B plays. Option C played. Option D playing. Correct answer is option B plays. We to the market yesterday. Option A goes. Option B went. Option C going. Option D go. Answer is option B went. My mother cooking in the kitchen. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D were. Correct answer is option A is. It raining heavily. Option A is. Option B are. Option C am. Option D were. Correct answer is option A is. I never seen a tiger before. Option A has. Option B had. Option C have. Option D having. Correct answer is option C have. C a good singer. Option A is. Option B are. Option C I am. Option D B. Answer is option A. You like tea or coffee? Option A does. Option B do. Option C is. Option D are. Correct answer is option B do. The sun in the east. Option A rise. Option B rises. Option C rising. Option D rose. Correct answer is option B rises. They playing cricket now. Option A is. Option B was. Option C are. Option D B. Answer is option C are. We very tired after the trip. Option A was. Option B are. Option C were. Option D is. Answer is option C were. He speak 5 languages. Option A can. Option B may. Option C should. Option D will be. Correct answer is option A can. I help you. Option A shall. Option B do. Option C is. Option D are. Correct answer is option A shall. There a cat under the table. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D were. Correct answer is option A is. The children happy. Option A is. Option B are. Option C was. Option D we. Correct answer is option B, are. I to Chennai last month. Option A, go. Option B, went. Option C, gone. Option D, going. Answer is option B, went. She has her homework. Option A, do. Option B, did. Option C, done. Option D, doing. Correct answer is option C, done. The baby crying for milk. Option A is. Option B, are. Option C, where. Option D, am. Correct answer is option A, is. நீங்க எத்தனை கேள்விக்கு சரியா பதில் சொல்றீங்கன்னு மறக்காம கமெண்ட்ல சொல்லிட்டு போங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.